Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is about how to create your first macro. So a macro is a recorded set of actions in Excel that automates repetitive tasks using VBA, that is Visual Basics for Application. So for creating a macro in Excel, you need Developer tab. If you have so, then good. If you don't have, then you have to go to File, then Options, and then Customize Ribbon column. And on the right side table, you have to select the Developer tab, means you have to tick it, and it will get displayed on your main screen. So doing this, pressing OK will enable the Developer tab on your present screen. So I have that. I'm going to Developer tab. On the right side, on the left side, you see a Record Macro option. So pressing it will open a dialog box, Record Macro. So now you have to give the name. So the name can be self-explanatory so that you don't have to wonder about what is it about. So I'm doing it change font and giving a shortcut A and changing font. So pressing OK will start my macro and Excel will start recording whatever I'm doing. So going to home, changing the Excel font from Calibri to Algerian, and my work is done. So going back to developer and stop recording. So now our macro is created. It's time to check it. So we have given Control Shift A as the shortcut key, so we can use that on macros. Control Shift A, and it is changing the font from Calibri to Algerian. So how to see your macros? Alt function F8 will give you a macro screen in which all your macros are listed. So when you press Alt F8, there opens a window in which all your macros created till yet will be shown. So how to run this? The cell is selected and the macro is selected, and you can press run. It will change the font to Algerian from Calibri. So this is our first macro. There are two ways. Either you can use the shortcut key, or you can open the macro dialog box from Alt F8 and use the macro by selecting it and pressing run. So if you want to see the coding, you can just first of all open the macro tab and selecting the macro and step into will give you the VBA coding for your macro created. So closing it for now. So to record a macro, first enable the developer tab, then click on record macro, give it a name, perform the required action, and finally stop recording. Excel automatically convert those actions into VBA code, which can be edited later if required. So yes, you can edit your VBA editor code and customize it later on as well. So the few important tips are: macro recorded steps are not logical. Avoid mouse clicks when possible. Use keyboard action. Macro work best for repetitive tasks. And recorded macros can be edited in VBA. So this was all about creating your first macro and knowing about that yes, you can automate your task in Excel very easily. I'll post videos regarding the VBA and macros in the upcoming series. So hope you find this video helpful. If so, do subscribe to the channel, and thank you so much for watching this video.